Everything in here is just designed to be simple. Let me just get it all started up here. First thing I want to show you is pretty dope. Okay, number one, if I go to my app, boom, I think this is like a 13-inch tablet. Okay, I can go to here. I got full Netflix on the dash. I mean, come on now, Kenny. Full Netflix on the dash. Obviously not while you're driving, Kenny, but while you're sitting at a campsite, right there, you got the full Netflix on. You ever seen that before? That's pretty dope. From your tablet right here, I can go back to the home, and if I hit the Nomadic Controls app, on the radio inside the vehicle, I can control the entire vehicle right from here. I can turn on air conditioners. So I'm gonna go ahead and power on an air conditioner right now. I can see the current temperature. I can put it in different modes. I can change the temperature right here. Now you can hear the air conditioner spin up in the background. I can go to the settings and I can change the different fan speeds. I can go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. I can turn on high humidity mode. I can mute it. I can hit the display. I can check out the run time. So we're at 9 hours for this air conditioner. I can see what the evap temperature is, all right here from the radio basically. And then I can go to Insights and I can check out the different room temperature, the evaporator temperature over time in Fahrenheit and in Celsius. So I can get all the different information right here. Now the other nice thing is we're calling this the Nomadic AC, and you can change the names of all the different devices from your tablet, your cell phone, everything. I can run different automations based on temperature. I can sync it up with Amazon Alexa, Siri, or Google. I can share the device with a friend. So if you're coming over to the van, I can give you control on your phone. We can do the awnings from here, water leak detectors, security cameras, everything right here. If I want to do the lights inside the van, I can turn all the lights on. I can turn them all off. I can turn on 1 light, 2 lights, 3 lights. It can go all off. So you can change the brightness level of your lights right from here. The whole goal is to be able to control the entire vehicle from here, your tablet, your iPhone, and then obviously everything works from Siri or Alexa, so you can talk to the entire vehicle once you're inside the vehicle. I'll go to the X3, and I'll go ahead and turn it off. It'll turn off back there. Then I can go back to home. I can listen to music. I can watch YouTube. I mean, how cool is this? So Android or Apple, you can just put it right on there. Wow. Pretty sweet. This is the Nomadic Pulse. It's a 10-inch tablet that basically runs the whole ecosystem. You can see this little line here. It's listening to what you're saying. You can turn that on and off, but if you want to talk to it and ask it to turn different things on, it'll do that for you. This is a control panel that controls the entire vehicle. So you can come in here, turn on an air conditioner. You can see all the basic functions from right here. You can do your lighting control from here. You can check out your cameras. Oh, there we are. Oh, I don't know if I look good from that. You can listen too. So if you turn the sound on, you can hear it. This whole thing can have Pandora as well, so you can put any music device you want on here. These are quick action buttons. You can make these for lights. Nomadic van lights. I can turn on a light. I can turn on 2, 3, 4. Right from here. This box right here, this controller will work on 12 volts or 110 volts. You can click on the weather, I think so. You can click on all of your different devices right here. Your different awnings, your different lights. And here's different apps that you can download. You can download your Pandora. So I'll just click this button. I'm gonna confirm, download Pandora, and you'll have Pandora right here on your 10-inch tablet. The whole goal is just to make the system that runs the vehicle as simple, as intuitive as everything that's in your house for your Google or your Apple Home system. Everything in here is just designed to be simple. It's through Bluetooth and or Wi-Fi. So if you don't have Wi-Fi, it'll run through Bluetooth. You can turn lights on and off, air conditioners on and off, awnings in and out, RGB colored lights, and you can do cameras throughout your vehicle as well, internal and external. The other nice thing about the system is you can walk right in and you can say, hey Siri, turn on my lights, and it'll turn on the lights. You know, from Apple Watch, tablet, controller, you have multiple different ways to control the system inside your vehicle. The way you control it is completely up to you.